probably think Apple makes phones. But what if I told you Apple influences global trade and controls billions of digital transactions? It shapes the economies of entire countries and has more economic power than most nations on Earth. Every time you unlock your iPhone, you're interacting with one of the most powerful economic machines ever created. This isn't the story of a tech company. It's the story of a trillion-dollar empire hiding in plain sight. Apple began in a California garage in 1976. But Apple wasn't simply building technology. It was building ecosystems. The Macintosh changed computing. The iPod transformed music. The iPhone revolutionized communication. Today, Apple's worth over $3 trillion, more than the GDP of most countries. Most companies adapt to global supply chains. Apple shapes them. When Apple shifts production, entire economies respond. Governments invest in highways, ports, expand. Power grids grow. Apple isn't just participating in globalization, it's actively directing it. The iPhone created an entirely new economy. Millions of developers and businesses depend on this platform. It's infrastructure for the digital age, and now, through Apple Pay and financial services, it's becoming a financial powerhouse. Its platform lives in the pockets of more than 1 billion people. Apple is no longer just a phone company. It's a global platform, a manufacturing force, and a digital gatekeeper. The next time you pick up your phone, remember, you're holding a small piece of a $3 trillion empire. This is TrillionScope. Subscribe to uncover the hidden forces shaping our world.